Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 easy ways to make money from home in 2024, this year. Guys, are you looking to add a little or extra sparkle to your bank account? Hey, whether you are juggling work or studies or family life, guess what? There are tons of side hustles that you can fit into your schedule. Guys, make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end because I'll be sharing 5 things that you must know before you embark on it. So the first website here I'm going to be exposing you guys to is Swagbucks. Yes, so So besties, Swagbucks is more focused on earning through shopping partners. But of course, you can earn cash back in so many ways. Guess what? You can earn money by watching videos, playing eligible online games, using the Swagbucks engine for web searches and answering surveys. Payout options are PayPal, Amazon, and of course Walmart's gift card. And according to their website, Swagbucks has actually paid more than $550 million in cash and gift cards since its founding in 2008 and redeems rewards for 7,000 gift cards daily. If you want a site that will let you earn money by doing more than surveys, guys, Swagbucks should be on your list. The second website I'm going to be sharing with you guys is InboxDollars. So tell me, have you heard of this website before? Don't lie. Don't lie. I'm sure you're hearing it on this website for the very first time. So yes, let me go into the details. InboxDollars is a major online survey website that says it has paid more than $80 million since its founding in 2000. Guys, you can earn from taking surveys, playing certain online games, and reading advertising emails. Yes, guys, you can also earn cash by shopping through the company's own shopping portal. Guys, online surveys pay $5 each and take an estimated 3 minutes to complete. Occasionally, surveys pay as much as $10, $20, or even more when you match a specific profile. Guys, here is how to redeem your money. Now, you can redeem your money through PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, and so much more. You can currently earn $5 when you are even opening an account. Are you still watching? Oh yeah, if you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourself. Here, this is the money making channel. On this channel, I'm here to share with you guys secrets that no one will be telling you. Yes, people just want to make the money and be enjoy by themselves. But on this channel, I'm going to be spilling all the tea on how to make money for yourself this year. So if you're new here, if you have not introduced yourself, God is watching you. Oh yeah, introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible and massive love and support. I see every single one of you and I appreciate you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself while you do the same thing. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week. Yes, so Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Make it a date in case you have not. Make it a date to join me on this channel. And I publish my video in the morning, Pacific time. I think 8 a.m. for this channel. So guys, without further ado, come with me. Let's go. If you have not introduced yourself, introduce yourself. You think I'll not remind you? I will keep reminding you. You think I will forget? No. On this channel, guys, just so you know, I'm building a community here, a genuine community. And I want to know all of you by your names. So yes, go ahead and introduce yourselves while we go ahead and make money together. Who doesn't want to make money this year? Come with me, guys. Let's go.
Mariam Adepaju.
So besties, the next website here where you can make money every day is Cashkick. Yes. So Cashkick is a rewards and loyalty platform offering rewards for completing tasks like surveys, playing partner games, and trying certain apps. As you earn, yes, you earn from completing surveys and offers, your Cashkick balance grows in an online account. Yes, Cashkick actually offers payouts starting at $10. Once you earn $10, they can pay you out. And payouts are actually made through PayPal. You can quickly sign up with an existing PayPal account, Facebook, or even Google account. To keep your account active, then you have to log in at least every 90 days. And you can complete surveys on the Cashkick website or using the Cashkick mobile app. The next website on my list here is what? Survey Junkie. Yes, so besties, Survey Junkie is one of the biggest online survey websites offering plenty of surveys to keep you busy. If you complete 3 surveys daily, you will earn around $40. Yes, and that comes to about how much per survey? Do the calculation. Guys, it's a very productive way for you to actually play games and earn money. Yes, rather than just while away time playing games without getting paid. You see, I'm looking out for you guys on this channel. Don't even sleep on these opportunities. If you have not shared this video, share. If you have not liked this video, like. If you have not joined the family, subscribe. Yes, so that's how we do it. Guys, they pay out through PayPal, yes, gift cards and direct transfers to your bank accounts, yes. And balances must reach at least $5, which is I think 500 points for a payout. Now, the next website here is Survey Savvy. Guys, Survey Savvy is a long-time online platform. Is a long-time online survey company. Yes, not only can you earn by completing surveys online, you can also earn monthly cash rewards by installing an app. I'm telling you, guys, another one is Savvy Connect. Yes, so on your smartphone, desktop, or tablet that tracks your online activities. Surveys are actually shared with members based on their demographic profile, which of course the use of Survey Savvy can make more detailed, leading to additional research opportunities that pay higher rewards. Guys, guess what? This is the juicy part. Payouts are actually sent by check in the mail. Make sure that you act quickly if you get a survey invitation. Once they invite you to come and do a survey, to complete a survey, it fills up quickly. I also fill surveys too, yes, and I get paid good money. Yes, so make sure that you act quickly because each survey is limited to a limited or specific number of responses. Guys, don't sleep on these opportunities. Guys, a snapshot of available surveys shows that they are paying out every minute. I'm telling you, yes, and you can spend 10 minutes answering questions. I'm telling you, you can earn like $6 per minute. Yes, so it's an easy way to earn money while hanging out on your couch or during your daily commute, whether you're going to work or you're in the train or you're joining someone on a ride. You can just be making money from the comfort of your phone. On this channel I've got you guys covered. In case you've missed my other videos, oh yes, I'm going to ask you guys now, would you prefer make money online videos or grants videos? I mean, I shared grants videos on my channel, but I don't know, it looks like you guys are not receptive towards it. Grants are actually free money that you don't have to pay back. Yes, it's not going to pay you right now, but they can get back to you. Some of them get back to you in about 2 weeks, 1 month, and some take longer than that. But I mean, if you don't care for grants videos, I'm working for you guys. Just let me know in the comments. If you prefer how to make money online like this, I have a bank of resources for you guys that I'm going to be sharing with you. And these are tested and trusted websites that I personally have used. And I'm here to give you the good news. Come and try it and also do well to share with your friends. Don't you want to win together? Oh yeah, go ahead and share this video. Tell a friend about these awesome opportunities I'm sharing with you guys on my channel. Do well to share my video, like, and of course, introduce yourselves in comments. On this note, I want to say a big thank you once again for watching this video all the way till this end, to the very end. I am your girl Miriam. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I'm super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go do express, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.